Okay, so I wanted to show you the Martinelli's cider concept. Essentially, this is the wine drawer from Dollar Tree. It's the essential shatter-free wine drawer, and it's really nice. But you see, it's supposed to hold wine, but it really is not very big at all. So you see, it's holding the Martinelli's 8.4 ounce bottle. So I've done two concepts. I really like this one. What I also like about this is that if you want, you should be able to stand it up when you shrink wrap it or add your cello. It should hold everything back for you. So if you wanted to do a stand-up concept, you could have it standing up. Or if you want to do it like I did, you can leave it laying down. But this is the Martinelli cider. This is the truffles, the little red truffles. A lot of people seem to like those. And just some brown shred and the shatterproof wine bottle holder. And this is made for the refrigerator. So this is found in the section where you would find either your baskets, or sometimes you might find it in the kitchen section. So just look in both of those. And then this one is the Martinelli cider. This is the grape cider. You can do any kind you want. I think they had 3 different flavors. This is the shortbread cookies. And I actually think I would like the red cider with the shortbread cookies just to match. But that's the European shortbread cookies in the individual packs. I just wanted to test this out while I'm here. So if you wanted to do the shortbread cookies in the red with this is what it would look like with your red colors matching. Of course, you can put something festive in there. If you wanted this just like a corporate gift or something like that, company gift, church gift, something that can go out to multiple people. This can be at any occasion type of thing, but a lot of people like the cider for the holidays. So if it was any occasion, you can just put in a regular flour. Now my stuff is shifting because I'm using one hand. But if it's any occasion, you can throw in a flour or something simple to jazz it up. If it's holiday, you can use some garland, some wreath type material, picks, holiday picks, something like that. But what I like about this again is that it really can be in any occasion type of situation. Because you can do this all year long. If you change out the brown shred, which I'm going to have to redo this. I did it really quickly just to show you guys. It really only took me like 5 minutes to do both. So this really is a quick and easy concept. But you could either do this for Valentine's Day. This is something you can throw in for Mother's Day, changing out your shred, throwing in some additional flowers. You know, just another concept. But I really do like putting in this acrylic holder. The other thing that I was considering is personalizing it. So you could put a name across the side. Now I put this in this way so the red faced the outside because I wanted people to be able to see that candy. A lot of people like that candy, but you can easily take the other side, remove the label, and personalize it. If you wanted to make it a family gift, adding some extra things inside, you can put King family or whatever family on the side of your cricket. So, again, quick and easy concept. I really, really, really like this wine bottle holder. I think I'm going to make a lot more of these. So, let me know. You guys like this? You don't like it? Would you use it? I also thought about it with pistachios. I have some pistachios sitting on my desk. So, you know, if you wanted to change it up a little bit, figure out how to put it in there a better way. But you could do that. So I feel like there's actually a lot of options on this if you like the concept. There's a lot of varieties of ways you can use it. But now I have to fix these back up and wrap them up so they can go to somebody. I also thought these would be really great teacher gifts. You can't send alcohol to school, at least not in my area. So these are nice concepts that they could have, something they can sit down and relax with. But anybody that's not drinking alcohol, anybody you're not able to provide alcohol to, anybody that you want to get multiple gifts, this is $1, $2, $3 Dollar Tree items and some shred, and you can throw it in a bag and you're done. So, hope this helps somebody. Tell me if you guys make this. Tell me if you like it. I'm really excited to hear from you. Bye.